Throwing it that way. Okay, go. Chuck it. Oh!
Hey, hi! Today is all about recycling. We're using old parts, broken parts from quadcopters and planes. So let's take a look at projects.
Yeah.
And those are quadcopter.
Yep, these are the
motors.
Baby Beast V2 quadcopter racing motors. These are F210 self-tightening 3-blade propellers. Makes it look like a seaplane.
Yeah, seaplane is what I was saying.
But you definitely shouldn't put her in the sea.
550 motor mount.
Yep.
Recycle them.
Turned into motor mounts.
Still motor mounts.
Custom strap here. Can fit a 200 milliamp battery.
Yeah.
3S.
Dual rudder.
Dual rudder, dual.
Oh, you really like your dual rudders.
Dual rudder, dual elevator.
Oh yeah, dual elevator.
Dual elevator.
Yeah, with 2 servos.
You ever play that game F-Zero on Nintendo? It reminds
No.
me of those dual rudders.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tried to
Good.
fly it the other day. I tried to self-launch and it went down, not hard, but it broke a prop. And I didn't bring any props, so I couldn't fly again. So maybe it'll fly this time.
Piper.
Viper time. Oh God, no.
Dual motors.
Dual Baby Beast motor, quadcopter motors, carbon fiber props, Haifa wings reinforced with carbon fiber rods.
Yep, carbon fiber all the way around.
Yep, carbon fiber.
Oh,
Carbon fiber
man.
and hot glue. Dual servos on the.
This is a Mad Max plane.
Yeah, dual servos on the rudder.
Yeah,
They really are beasts.
recycle them on your planes. That's what you do.
Afro 20 amp ESCs. Afro from yeah,
They work really well.
Falcon. We got the dual rudder. 2 servos. The back view is the best.
Okay. So when are these coming on sale?
What's that?
When
Oh,
is it
when does
coming
it come on sale?
Yeah.
You can find it on Etsy for $499.99. Look at that. Two servos in there.
Oh yeah.
Yep, that was good. That was good.
That was
Yeah,
amazing.
a lot of power. Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, you can't ask for more on that.
Yep. Homemade plane.
Very cool.
Oh, you need some power? I came prepared. Oh, wow. A little bit more than I
Oh
thought.
man. Well.
I believe you need one of these. No?
I'll go with.
Oh, 2200s.
Oh.
First person view Falcon.
Let's give it a shot. What I'm gonna do. Okay.
You ready?
Falcon Walrus. Test 1. Wait, is that hitting your fingers? Nope. Okay. You ready?
Just throwing it that way.
Okay, go.
Wow.
No problem.
Very nice.
No problem. Oh, dude, this thing runs, man.
I know.
Oh, wow. Straight up. Thing rocks, dude. Look at that.
A vertical climb.
Wow. Hello, planes. Oh my God. It really looks like a falcon. I'll get one more good pass and I'll take you down. That's the best place to land.
On the runway.
All right.
Just good.
She's coming down. Flying fish.
Did you give it? That's your name?
That's the name, yeah.
Alright, what do we have here?
This is the flying fish. It's a culmination of a lot of foam parts we've accumulated over the years. This is from a Piper cub from about probably 7-8 years back, and this is a Haifa fuselage. This is a 330 size racing quadcopter motor. 20 or 15 amp micro ESC, and then we got 9-gram micro servos on here. Here, and then 2 here. One for the rudder, one for the elevator. And then we got a nice light kit on it, which makes it look good at night.
There's a flight controller in it too.
Oh yeah, it's got a Eagle Tree Guardian flight controller, really light, really advanced, really reliable, and really durable. And we probably have about 5 of these in our rigs, and they work really good. So we're going to test this out today and see how it goes. Hopefully she flies magnificence.
Oh yeah, it's gonna go good.
And just give it a nice good chuck.
Yeah.
Like that. All right. Just better up than down, you know. Just like
Hold on.
30 degree up, you know.
Let me come on this side.
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, hold on. Okay, everybody ready?
Yep.
All right, chuck it. Oh! Oh yeah.
I felt it.
She's a flyer.
A bit more stable now.
Yeah, I turned the gyro gain up.
Okay.
Really needed it.
Oh, now it's much more
Very
balanced.
nice, yeah. This is about as fast as I. Uh-oh. See, when I accelerate, it wants to push the front end down.
Yeah.
There it is.
Homemade boats from parts.
Yep.
Airplane boat.
This one's FPV, first person view. Plane that was made into a boat.
Cool.
This one is a
and
quadcopter boat. But it doesn't fly it, but it maneuvers very well. Yeah, Chris
Ryan started. I finished it last night.
Yeah, Chris
Yeah.
was like, oh,
Yeah,
so
Ryan.
happy.
Ryan like put these all here and wired up the ESCs.
Oh yeah, I can
Then
see
I
those
put
are
this-
the arms of a quad. There's
Yeah.
4 of them.
That's the same motor that's on that.
That's
on,
a runner
That's
right
on
there.
the Flying Fish.
Or, I mean,
Oh.
the original runner. Right
Oh,
there.
Runner 250's arms. That's funny. Now I know what to do. If you break your runner, you can build a boat out of it.
Yes.
Yep.
Oh man, that one.
There must be a lot of power for this, 4 props.
Yeah. It's not your average boat, I must say.
That's not in there all the way. That's weird.
I like it.